Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I wanted to put up a video quickly to show you something I just recently purchased at my local Target that I am head over heels in love with. It is this set of makeup brushes from Sonia Kashuk. This is their Luxe Face Collection Complete brush set. I was recently over at Target shopping in the makeup area, just mainly looking for a couple inexpensive brushes. I am not a big spender when it comes to makeup brushes. I have makeup brushes actually from Sonia Kashuk that have lasted me years. The bristles have never come out. They actually sell the pieces in this kit separately, or you can buy the entire kit. I think it's $40. You know, each brush I think some of them ran around $5. And after I started adding it up, I thought to myself, you know, it's probably less expensive just to buy the entire kit. I know I'll get use out of every brush in here. Let me show you all the brushes that come in this kit. The thing I really loved about these brushes was the color of them. They are like a beautiful, almost a minty green shade. And these brushes, when I felt them over there, obviously they're not comparable to, you know, something extremely expensive or a Wayne Goss brush. I'm not saying that, but for me, they do the trick. So let me show you what is in this kit of brushes that I just picked up. This first brush is a serum brush. You can just put the serums on your face and then just rub this into your face to spread the serum out. I love applying serums with brushes. I just think it feels so luxurious going on. This is actually a nice, dense, soft brush, a little firm, but it'll do the trick when it comes to applying serums on my face. And you can use this for liquid or gel serums. So that's one brush. And then the next one is this one. And what's really nice too is they actually mark on the side of the brush what the brush is for. So they actually sent me 2 serum brushes in my kit. Not sure I was supposed to get 2, but I have 2 serum brushes. And then the next brush I have here is this one, and this is a concealer brush. So that's the concealer brush. And it's nice, a little bit firm, very dense. The difference between the serum and then this is the concealer. You can see the concealer brush is a little bit smaller. And I also have in here, this is an eye crease brush for putting on eye makeup in the crease of your eye. And that is so nice and soft. That's a nice blending brush. This actually works for both powder and cream eyeshadows. And then you could blend those nicely into the crease of your eyes. So that's another one that came in here. And then I have this one. This is actually called an eye cleansing brush. And if you look at it, it kind of has a very odd shape to it. It's a little thicker right up to here, and then it gets a little less dense on the tip. And this says this is actually for liquid cleanser around your eye area. I'm sure I'll find a different use for this, but that is what this brush is supposed to be used for. You can see it, I think, the shape of it. Let me see if I can get my iPhone to focus a little bit better. I have 2, and this is just supposed to be used, for example, if you put serum under your eyes and just roll the serum under your eyes, almost like a massage under your eye. But now that I look at this, I think when they sent me the kit, they sent me duplicates of some, and I might be missing some of the other ones. So hopefully that's not the case. But now that I see 2 of these, I'm starting to wonder if maybe inside the kit, they messed up some things because I don't think there's supposed to be 2 of these. But anyway, that is what these are. This is a roller ball that you can actually just use under your eye. You can do it either dry, like a massage under your eye, or you could put these in the freezer so they're nice and cold to help with depuffing. Or sometimes I like to put eye serums under my eye and just massage them in. So that'll come in handy. Oh my gosh, I don't believe this. I know they sent me duplicates. This is not, I don't think, what you're supposed to get in the kit, guys. This is turning into what you should not be getting in the kit because I'm getting duplicates of things in here and I don't know why. And this is another eye cleansing brush that I just spoke to you about, but I don't think you're supposed to get 2 in the kit. And they, I think, messed up and sent me 2. This is an eye lay down brush. So this is a nice brush for laying down your eyeshadow. It's nice and soft. If you've tried Sonia Kashuk brushes before, these are very similar. These feel very luxe. You know, they're not comparable to a super, super expensive brush like Wayne Goss, or I don't even know what the really expensive brush names are, to be honest with you, because I don't buy them. I buy inexpensive brushes. This is an eyeshadow brush for laying down eyeshadow on your lids. And this is actually another thing in the kit that I was really looking forward to. This is both an eye liner brush on one end, so you could use this to line your eyes with. And then on this end, it's a spoolie. I can use this to do my waxing of my brows. And this is a blush brush. Ooh, super, super soft. I think you can see that really, really soft fibers for putting on blush. Another nice dense brush. And then this is a powder brush. Ooh, really, really soft. And I think you can see the difference. This is the powder and this is the blush. This is a little more angular and this is the powder. And then finally, something I use all the time. This is actually a mask brush. If you're putting on a mask and you don't want to use your fingers, you can just spread it out with that. But you know what I actually use these brushes for? I put on hair serum on the temple, on my temples, and I like to use more of a paddle brush like this to apply the hair serum, hair growing serum to the temple area of my scalp. So this will come in handy for that. The kit is only supposed to have 10 brushes in it, and I got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13
brushes. You're not supposed to have 13 brushes in this kit. Somebody at Target messed up, or somebody at Sonia Kashuk messed up, so I got a bonus of, I guess, of a couple more brushes. This is their Luxe Face collection, and you're supposed to get 10 brushes in here: a powder brush, a blush brush, a mask brush, a serum brush, eye cleansing brush, concealer brush, a roller ball, an eye crease brush, an eye shadow lay down brush, and an eyeliner brush with the spoolie on the end. If you're somebody like me that doesn't like to spend a lot of money on makeup brushes, you might want to look at this kit. I was going to buy a couple of these individually, but then I thought by the time I started adding things up, it'd be less expensive and I would get more. Obviously, I did get more because I got more than I was supposed to get, but you'll get more in the kit if you purchase it as an entire kit. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my new Sonia Kashuk brush kit collection. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.